you know me, I do follow and I talk about nervous system, nervous network for quite some time. I've been supporting this project for a while, only simply because of what I know what they do and what I know the community, and I've added that to my long-term bags. Looking at this from the weekly perspective, this was clearly, guys, a level to get in at, but like a lot of other altcoins back in December have reversed and they've done this crazy run. But right now, let's just check what Nervous has done. We check on the weekly how we're doing in terms of the 8 and 21. I've spoke before about the crosses, the bullish crosses, bearish crosses. We've had the bearish cross, we retested it, and we've dropped down, and we're retesting right now the golden pocket. We're retesting right now this 8 EMA, and we are retesting this support. When you're looking at this as well from this structure, you see the double top, drop level, rise, retrace, rise, retrace. I think there's going to be a chance for you guys to get back in around those levels, in around 886 here. As you can see, it is at 0.00234. If it doesn't come back down this low, it has to flip this level that we are at right now. It is, again, a level of confluence in terms of resistance here, resistance here. It was also a level where we finally made that flip here to the upside and made that impulse here to just 0.07 cents. I would be looking for buys from around here and possibly again, like, you know, making all the way back up. Midpoint is always one to look out for, so that could be like a nice 60% trade. You know, it's just so nice and easy sometimes to just use sorry, the magnet is disturbing here. Use fibs, whichever way you want to draw them, guys, because a lot of people will be picking and saying, well, that's not how you draw them. Well, I'm measuring here where we are actually at in terms of continuation of the downtrend, and that's where I'm seeing you can do it your the opposite way as well. You know, we can already see and tell that this has corrected. This has corrected below midpoint. Usually it would have been nicer to see it stay above midpoint, but midpoint is always in the same place, guys. But looking at this way, you're still seeing, you know, it's being rejected at the continuation move is at the question right now, because we broke below the fibs. So that's why it has to stay this way, guys. For you, we are back to the golden pocket. Like I said, if we don't flip here, if we don't at least do a bit of side action, maybe for some accumulation, you know, the chances are we are gonna go back down here to 786 or even 886. Just grab a little bit more of that liquidity down here and push up higher, and that would be again within this formation, information, rise, retrace, rise, retrace. So look for buys in around 0.024 for CKB, unless market again surprises us all and we're going to go full bull, which I don't think we will. Immediately there's going to be a bullish momentum, but we are going to see most likely corrections on everything before we are actually in full bull market. But that is your chance to make the money. That is your chance to fatten your bags. That is your chance to be smart about this. Prepare yourself. Don't buy everything right now. Put money aside. Make money on those small reversals and then look for more. By the time CKB, if it decides to reject here, come back down here, we might be already in that, you know, downtrend, and then looking for a reversal would be, you know, somewhere down here as well. You need to judge it as well by the way the market looks. But for now, guys, we need to see a little bit more from CKB. I mean, on the daily, look, it's not looking too bad in terms of this W here, but that's why I said it's an important level to flip. It has to give that bullish structure and invalidate the bearish by flipping this level. And then obviously important level will be the midpoint here, which is above. What's the price here I'm looking at? The midpoint is just below 0.004 cents. Once we tackle that, you might be talking here then at a successful double bottom retest with a W formation here, where we come up here, retrace and reverse to the upside. And then again, look at the range play, look at, you know, where you can, you know, pay yourself, because this market has been quite unpredictable and quite volatile and very, very ruthless in terms of taking away your profits. Pocket them and move on. That's it for Nervous. If you have any questions, if you want me to analyze something else, let me know, but I hope this was helpful.